him! Ah, right. Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, it's not very clear. So you have anything special in Japan, or just visiting around?
Not this time.
Yeah. Okay.
No, I like language. This time I want to see around.
Yeah.
Not just Tokyo.
Okay. That's good then.
But I'll visit one friend who's actually in proper right now.
Oh.
He's in Osaka. Like,
This year proper?
this year, yeah.
Okay.
Let's go down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a vice president.
Oh, nice.
And then I'll visit my Japanese friend
Yeah.
in a town called Toyohashi.
Tokohashi.
Well, in Japan terms, it's a small town, but it's like the same
Yeah.
size as Helsinki.
Ah, right. Well, in Asia, yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, sounds fun though.
Yeah. And I think I'll also do casino from the same like host families like Airbnb that
Yeah.
hosted me last time.
Yeah. The grandma. Yeah. Lovely.
It's quite cheap, and there's like
How much per night?
breakfast and
Oh, included. Wow.
I was like 22 euros a night.
Oh, what?
I paid like
crazy.
800 something for a
Uh-huh.
night.
Ah. Wow, that's crazy cheap. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, cool.
He has the brown bag with the mist notes on it inside.
Ah. Yeah, where did you leave that?
That's a random pasta.
Oh, bro. Okay. Wow.
That's my black letters.
Ah, right. Yeah. Your board letter is long as hell though. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, canoeing. Kayak.
I always wonder about that one like small
Yeah.
there.
Uh-huh.
Like is the bridge just
Ah, decorative.
two cottages or something?
Yeah. I see it.
And there's some rich guy building.
Yeah. I mean, seaside view and it's a rich neighborhood.
I think in some like statistics Finland has the most like these small ass islands
Oh, yeah.
of any country,
Oh,
like along the coast.
along the coast. Wow.
Like if you go to the Turku side, on the
Yeah.
west side, it's
Even more than Indonesia.
Indonesia has like a lot more bigger.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh, that's fascinating.
This Saturday I'm going to, next Saturday I'm
Yeah.
going to a concert in Turku.
Oh, which artist?
Muse.
Muse.
It's like a rock festival. So there's many artists.
Okay.
They're the main artist.
Uh-huh. They Finnish, British. Oh, Muse. Oh, yeah, you mentioned before.
They have like 20 million.
Yeah, I remember. You been to their concert before?
No.
No.
They do shows quite rarely.
Uh-huh.
But when they do, they're like cinematic or
Yeah.
they show off.
Okay.
We've got like live concerts on
Yeah,
YouTube.
I see.
So it's
Yeah. I'm also planning to go on a Bryan Adams concert with my brother in August
really
in Copenhagen.
Oh, yeah.
Like he will perform at the theme park. So all you need to get in is just the entrance ticket to the theme park.
You should go.
Yeah, to save a lot of money. Huh. Ooh. Can't believe it's June already. Fucking hell.
Yeah. Time flies.
Yeah, waiting for so long for the summer. Now it's actually here. Feels like it's gonna go by in an instant.
Maybe we could watch one of them.
Yeah. Well, I think this is perfect.
Yeah, maybe like 2 degrees more, but
Yeah.
it's gonna be like 40 degrees in the car.
You're right.
Find out some life hacks to like.
And yeah, and it's very humid as well.
Yeah.
You're gonna sweat a lot. I mean, just by sitting.
What if I just still wear a shirt at all?
That's normal, at least indoor. Like, I mean, like at home, back home in Vietnam, I'm always shirtless. Yeah, but if I go outside, of course I have to wear something. I don't want to be a barbarian.
I mean, people are gonna be staring anyway, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Men Milk porridge.
Do you have any summer studies?
No, I after this week I'm done with everything. So I just focus on work, and yeah, maybe I'll go on like some hang out with my friends. Yeah, I think might do some swimming. Yeah, but just here.
I took like one programming course.
How was it?
Haven't started it.
Well, is it Python or Python?
And then I'm doing a JavaScript course. Like, just online.
Okay. Yeah, but it should be easy with ChatGPT.
Yeah.
All right. These,
Good out there.
yeah. Okay.
Nice house.
Yeah, nice houses though. Beautiful. All of them.
I think there's some embassies here.
Yeah.
Probably has some yellows as well.
Yeah. I wonder if he still had the Chinese vodka left.
Actually, I don't know.
Let's see.
You might have.
Yeah.
We had like a housewarming party on Friday, and then
Oh yeah, I remember.
we went to the bar in Kamppi, and then I know
Yeah.
that Max and Elias are in Chile, so
Uh-huh.
I went there.
Yeah. Do you know what ethnicity is Rick? He doesn't look Finnish. Yeah. His name is not Finnish. He doesn't look Finnish, no?
Well, for me it's Finnish surname, but
Oh, okay.
that is Finnish, I think.
Uh-huh. He look...
Well, he's Finnish red, so like...
Yeah. Alright.
His mom is like...
Could be.
Ricardo could be a Swedish person.
Uh-huh.
Well, one of my friends told me that you look like Spanish.
Spanish?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think so at all, no. He doesn't, not at all. He has zero dog feature.
Yeah. So when we call him Ricardo.
Yeah, Ricardo Milos.
Oh wait.
No, it's a...
Seafood restaurant.
Yeah, true.
Brands like I don't know what it's called in English, but I think you know the coast where everyone goes to camp.
Yeah, the Riviera. Yeah. I was there.
Seafood restaurants are like this.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of universal.
Yeah.
You cannot really go wrong with seafood.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to trying all that
Yeah.
seafood there. Sea urchin is pretty good.
Sea urchin, yeah, no. All of them. Seaweed.
Reminds me that I haven't eaten anything. That's well rated.
Uh-huh. Do you have any anticipated like a dish you want to eat in Japan or Seoul?
All different kinds of like tonkatsu and
Yeah, fried.
rice balls.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah.
Last time.
Uh-huh.
Like I didn't try gyudon or oyakodon or anything.
I see.
All the
Noodles, yeah.
and then just random street food.
Yeah, oh yeah.
At least from the Seoul airport, if they have like authentic food,
Ah, nice.
there's something there as well.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure about what we're gonna do regarding the flight from Seoul.
Uh-huh. So how long are you gonna be in Seoul?
That's the part we haven't figured out yet.
Okay.
Because technically we could, our flight arrives 11 something,
Yeah.
so we could like fly the same day to
Right.
Japan as well.
Yeah. Oh, free stuff. Kiitos. High protein. Hell yeah. Huh. She knows what I want.
Yeah. Get yourself a girl like that.
Yeah, absolutely. Huh. It's nice.
Going back to that anticipated business thing, I
Yeah.
took out quite
What?
generous budget for the
Uh-huh.
trip.
Okay.
So like if I have some left over, I think I want to try like a Wagyu meal or something.
Oh, nice, nice. Oh yeah.
Like you got like 5K
Uh-huh.
for it.
Yeah, the real deal. Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how authentic it was,
Where?
but like next to Shibuya,
Yeah.
like some department store,
Ah,
there was a guy
okay.
selling like wagyu on the street,
Uh-huh.
like just like cubes of meat,
I see.
and then he fried them. It was like €4 or something.
Ah.
I know it was the most tender
It is,
piece of meat I've ever
it,
tried.
it is authentic. It's the Japanese, man. They're not gonna scam you.
Well, it was really cheap.
Yeah. That's why. Well, it's Japan.
Yeah.
You're comparing it to Finland. That's why.
Yeah, here it would be like
Yeah, like
€20.
yeah, at least.
I'm actually going to Copenhagen as well
Oh, nice.
during September.
Okay. Oh yeah, the trip, the Nesu trip.
The network trip.
Yeah.
I think I paid those They
Okay.
haven't
Uh-huh.
sent anything back.
Yeah, it's quite early still, so maybe.
And I should apply for exchange.
Yeah. So,
Well,
so Japan again for exchange, or
Japan, I don't know how many choices you can have.
I think like 10,
10. Well,
at
then
least for me. Yeah.
I'm gonna put all the. Yeah, you go first.
Yeah, I'll go.
I'll put all the Japan options
Yeah.
and all the Korea options.
Uh-huh. What about China?
Well, if there's room.
Yeah. I see. Now good.
Like, I don't care how shitty a university I go into.
Yeah, no, that's the point of exchange though. It's not for the studies.
Yeah. Like if I want to work in like Korea or Japan,
Yeah.
at some point,
Expat.
I want to go there.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's good.
The bad thing is that Aldo doesn't have Korean courses.
Oh yeah, you mentioned that.
I have to buy an online course. and
Yeah.
to Strap something to
Uh-huh.
myself.
Mm. True. I mean, I haven't thought. I don't know how it is in Japan, Korea, but if you want, for example, if you're a Finn, you want to work and live in Vietnam, you can do like a English teacher.
Yeah.
You can be an English teacher and you earn very decent, I think, like
Yeah.
3,000 euros per month, but you live in Vietnam, so basically you can do literally everything. I think I know.
Would it be like a full-time job?
Sorry?
Would it be like a full-time English teacher job?
I'm not too sure, but
Because how can you work another job while you're an English teacher?
I think I think it is full time. Yeah.
Well, I've heard that like some foreigners in like the Japan and Korea, they do like English tutoring
Yeah.
or something.
Oh yeah.
Like on the side.
Yeah. No. But that's a big thing though.
Yeah, which will.
Okay. Let's cross. Down.
Quite early.
Cao Sari.
Or can you be a teacher without like a teacher's education?
I think you need to get like some sort of certificate. I'm not so sure, but it's very easy. At least that's what I heard or read. Yeah. So. And that's only like one way. I mean, there's many other ways as well.
Yeah. I'm thinking how easy would it be to be like expat of a Finnish company in one of those countries?
I mean, I know my boss. He used to work for ABB, if you know, and he lived like 6 years in Shanghai and then to Singapore.
Wow.
Yeah, because the company is a big company, so they have like offices and business over there. So that's what you can do also, but you need to be very good at your job, and then you get transfer. Ask for transfer.
Yeah.
How I've been here?
Korea.
Oh, Korea, no. I would need a visa.
Oh.
And
Even for like a short stay.
yeah, like even to enter, yeah. So no, I have friends there, very good friends there. I met during my exchange in the Netherlands.
Oh, really?
So if I were to visit, I would have like some tour guy bring me around.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know, it's a shame of my passport. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 2 years from now, when I settle down a bit,
Yeah.
I can do like a summer trip.
I don't know if I'll explore even sold it that much this time.
Huh?
I think I want to go to,
Yeah.
like if I go to Korea, I want
Yeah.
to go to just Korea.
Uh-huh.
So like Korea emphasizes,
Ah,
you know,
Yeah.
more time exploring Korea.
yeah, no, yeah, makes sense. There's so many things to explore there, yeah.
I was thinking of maybe taking like a
Yeah?
like a 1 month later.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh yeah, no, that's good.
We're getting kind of close.
Yeah.
And, oh yeah, we right there.
Nice. Yeah, seems about right. Oh, fucking steep. Where do we go?
Maybe
Oh, damn, it's a nice neighborhood.
oh yeah, what's the next one? What we can do?
Yep. These houses.
What did you say? Snake?
No, nice neighborhood.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh man.
I know Espoo is just like this copy pasted,
Yeah.
or like this area of Espoo.
I mean, it's a bit. It's not too. I don't know. I like it.
Yeah.
It's simplistic, but it's ideal.
I lived in an area like this in
Yeah, before.
Kaita or whatever.
Uh huh.
Wow. There.
Yep.
Cars from the
Kaito.
I haven't decided where we're going to go eat.
Yeah. I mean, we can ask Rick. If not, we can go to what is Iso Omena. Not too far.
Wait, we go past it.
Oh yeah.
I think it's
Yeah. It was that building. That house. Nice.
this one, right?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it was. Yeah. Very nice. Now I dox his place.